Okay, thank you very much for your work. Your mind map is very good here, so you try to make it clear. It's about solar energy, I agree with that. Then you put into three how to get, characteristic, countries that supply, very good. Then you do it here how to get parkas, absolute golf course, and so on. So this is actually places, the characteristic small, see-through, sticky, and fair game. Um, yeah, but how about parkas? How about golf course? Is it smaller? Is it see-through? Yeah. So the characteristic here is more characteristics on this more rather than the bigger places. Yeah. Then you put country Japan and so on and so on. Now think about how they get it. Places here is the key actually. The key that you can get from the text. Yeah. So have a look at that. Sun is the power source that can be used for by human for many activities. Of course, there are several ways of solar to get solar energy using solar pocket, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on up to here. Um, think about the places. Think about golf course. Think about phones or small electronics. Think about that. Um, you should have catch that from the text that the most important is or stated in the text is more on places, and the places is not usual places or unique places. So you should have think that this text is about getting the solar energy in the unusual places. So when you put that as your topic sentence, then you will develop the paragraph a lot better. Um, if you put it here as your topic sentence there, here for example, then you said some countries have this and so on and so on here. It's not really coherent because you said there are several ways. Okay, then you said first it's using solar pocket. Okay, then you said yeah, you just said it's first using of solar pocket in parkas and other wearables. Yeah, and then here some countries that have used that. So it's not really, there are several ways to get solar energy. Yeah, it's more on the places, unique places, than the countries is the examples of the places. Yeah, so you haven't really got the point from the text, but it's okay. Yeah, so far you're doing okay. We need to talk more later on how to get into the gist of a text. Yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in class.